quickly as possible before kids come. Figure out what that noise is. Look at the rear wheel. I don't know, it could be the shield for your feet. It's an old LTD, I believe. Big boat. I'm gonna hit the dirt. Huh? I know, man. I'm just trying to get out of people's way. I say my riding is very orthodox right now, but man, I'm just trying to get out of people's way. That always means you gotta ride in a straight line. Be safe. That guy walked. There's no way he got this far, me on a bicycle. It's crazy. This is going to be great because I can cross at any means here. I know you do, man. Now I gotta watch for the driveway. That's the important part. And I'm getting all dust in my face. These driveways, so I gotta watch. This is down. Never really a leisurely ride. Always try to keep your eye on. I don't know if there ever can be a fully fun bicycle ride. There's always going to be watching something. Everything. I'm just gliding too much. I'm going to watch myself over here. Step down the first gear because this is a bit. Look at this. Crunch. 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 Look at this guy. Oh my god. What are they doing? Look at this one. Oh my god. Crunch. Man. I'm going nuts. You're going nuts, baby girl. You're going nuts. More dirt in my eyes. This is a miss. This is a miss. What? The PSEG guys are in my way. Ooh, it's a day. Huh? Guys looking for more gas leaks, huh? I know those tools. I'm 33, there's some gas leak over there to keep checking for. I'll see you later. I can smell it right there. Whew.